Hi, welcome back to TensorFlow Essentials. In this tutorial, we will get our setup ready. In the entire lecture series, we are working on Google Colab. Google Colab is an open source IDE similar to Jupyter Notebook. Colab Notebook executes on Google Cloud Server, meaning that you can leverage the power of Google hardware, including GPUs, that is, graphical processing units, and TPUs, tensor processing unit, which are the compute power for the model to develop. And GPUs and TPUs are highly essential to develop the deep learning models in an efficient way. We can access a free NVIDIA Tesla K80 GPU through the Colab. If you're not having the GPUs in the hardware, then it is recommendable to work on the Google Colab for efficient code building and deployment. In order to set up your Google Colab, you need to have Google account. If not, please sign up to your Gmail account. Once you have the Gmail account, please log into your Google account and click on Drive, as shown in this figure. As you can see, once you open the Google and where you can see the settings options, or those are called apps, and click on that apps and click on the Drive. And in the Google Drive, click on New to connect more apps. In the search, type Collaboratory. Click on this Collaborator to install this Google Colab, and now you can able to successfully install the Google Colab. Let's see how to set up now. Now I was in Google homepage, and you can see that my account Free AI is there. And click on Google Apps, and as you can see, the option Drive is available. Click on this Drive. As soon as you click on this Drive, it will navigate to the Drive. So this is what my Drive in the Google. Click on New and More. As you can see that Google Collaboratory is already installed for me. So in order to install for you, click on Connect More Apps. And this is what the Google Marketplace, and type Collaboratory. And you can see it is already installed for me. If you would not install for you, click and install. Click and install here. Once you have successfully installed your Google Colab, make sure that you have created one folder here. So right click and click on New Folder and just name it as Logistic Regression, and create that folder. Inside that folder, right click and click More, and as you can see, Google Collaboratory is there. Click on Google Collaboratory. Now it will open the new Google Colab. Please wait for a few seconds so that your notebook is getting ready. This is how the Google Collaboratory notebook you can look. It's very similar to your Jupyter notebook. And as you can see, you can go to your runtime and change the runtime. Make sure you connect to the GPU. To get fast computation power, just connect to GPU and click on Save. Now what I'm trying to do, just also click on Connect here. Now it will connect to the hardware setup of the Google Cloud Server of GPU. Please wait for a few seconds until it is connected and your connection is getting ready. Yeah, now you can see that it is connected, and it shows that, and you can see that it is connected to the Google Compute Engine GPU with a RAM of 12 GB RAM, and the disk space it is available is 31.42 GB. Okay, it's pretty good. So now let's first import the TensorFlow. There are two kinds of versions of TensorFlow which is available in the Google Colab. So this entire lecture series what we are doing is we're working on TensorFlow version 2. TensorFlow version 1 has also the pretty good version work on with. But TensorFlow 2.0 has many more functionalities than the version 1. So in order to access the TensorFlow 2.0, so first percentile TensorFlow version, just press 2.x. It is version 2.2 and more. Now execute, shift enter to execute it. Now import TensorFlow as TF. Now let me check the version. TF dot underscore underscore version. As you can see that current TensorFlow version that I'm going to use at this lecture series is 2.2. Thank you very much. In the next lecture, we'll talk more about the TensorFlow.